Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Firefox browser to your Firestick or Android TV device. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll have to go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, we gotta start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to actually stop Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings. So we need to click on that button with the gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And here we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we need to go to install unknown apps. From here locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we'll have to go back to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Now it loads. And here you'll find the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Ireland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we need to open the Downloader application, which is right here, wait until it loads, and then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has finally opened, we just need to scroll it down a little bit until you find that list of categories. And from here, we just need to click on Browsers. So click on Browsers, and then a huge list of apps is going to open. And from here, we'll need to find the Firefox. Yep, there it is. Click on Firefox. Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, do not worry and just click on close or on X to close down the ad. In my case, I have to click on close right here. And now a new web page should open up for us. There it is. And we also need to scroll it down. So let's scroll. And from here, we are looking for the download Fire TV Android TV button, which is right here. But if for some reason it doesn't work for you and the download doesn't start, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So now let's click on download, and in a couple of moments the download of Firefox is going to start on your Firestick. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until Firefox gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV device. And after that, after the installation is finished, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because you don't have too much of free space on your Firestick by default anyway. And now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, open it. And there at the bottom you'll find the Firefox, which we just downloaded. Now, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Firefox is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.